Hey! Sup, Dora? We're back!
Hi.
Yes, I am recording now. Alright, what are we doing? What's the plan?
Quest?
Yes. Lead the way.
What?
I said lead the way and you just stand there.
I wasn't, like, ready.
Where are we going?
Or using the waypoint, this thing.
Oh, okay. To return to the Cathedral Garden.
Yes.
Cathedral Garden, got it.
And then in this door.
Alright. Do it. Do it. Oh. I'm getting the phone call. Bad timing. Alright, you can keep going, I guess. I'm gonna pause for a second. Okay. Phone call's over. Alright, where did you go?
Through the door that's right around the corner.
Oh, okay. We're not gonna break everything in here?
I did.
Oh. Alright. Whoa! Man, my computer's just running, like, terribly. I should be getting a new computer in the mail, by the way. Did you know that? Have I told you that?
You did tell me that.
I'm, I don't know, probably in the next 3 weeks, because they have to build it and then mail it. And, I don't know, it could take a while. I'm hoping it only takes, like, a week and a half, because it'd be nice to have another computer. But, I'm gonna keep this one, because it's still pretty nice. Whoa!
Where'd you go?
Oh, there's a guy over here. Man, I just killed the crap out of that guy. That was awesome.
What's so funny?
I don't know. I just laugh every time you turn around and break stuff. I probably should have restarted my computer, but we don't really have time. So after we're done here, I'll do that. How soon do you need to leave to make it on time?
Like an hour.
Oh, okay. That's not too bad. What?
Treasure goblin. Kill him.
Oh,
Kill him.
where is he? Where is he?
Over here. He will not get away. That's what I thought.
Oh, I got a helmet. I don't think I have one of those yet. I don't. Sweet.
So I
Hey.
hit 56 on my witch doctor.
Oh, nice. What's the max level?
60.
Oh, nice.
But I'm at a point where I have to farm other stuff because it's so hard.
Hmm. Well, that's... I mean, still, congratulations.
Working on it.
That's quite the achievement you have there.
Ooh, there's the yellow guy down there. So I'm working on being nicer.
No. You're not allowed to be nicer. Is nicer a word, do you think?
Ooh, I love him.
Hey, congratulations.
I think it is a word, isn't it?
I thought it was more nice.
Nicer's a word, like, he was nicer than she was.
I thought it was more nice than she was.
I think it's nicer.
I should really know this. I'm an aspiring writer. Grammar is not my forte. Excuse me. Wow, really? That's what you're gonna do?
Did that like you?
No, I turned down my settings, so I'm doing okay right now.
Oh, it's not as fun then.
Do you think shut up. Do you think something that is 3 DPS more is worth getting rid of +2 experience whenever I kill a monster?
I would keep the experience because we're still low level, so XP is good.
Alright, I will do so.
That's my opinion. If it's wrong, I'm sorry. But I'm trying to help.
instead of just ignoring me, you try to help.
It's kind of like, whatever, your choice.
So who's the person you had watch that said that?
That would be Eric.
I'm surprised any of your friends would be on my side. Oops, I opened the door. Oh man.
Are you gonna die?
I don't know. I didn't know if that was bad or if I was gonna unleash the monsters upon myself.
Wouldn't be the first time.
I don't know what that means. But I agree. Scribe's lectern.
It was Lazarus. Of that I am certain.
Oh man, you ever get that feeling like you want to sneeze? And like your nose itches, but you're not sneezing?
And you can't, and then it hurts.
Not that it hurts, just kind of like tickles.
Oh, it hurts me. I keep burping, and it tastes like the Japanese food I had last night. Don't even say anything, I know.
I have nothing to say.
Oh, man.
Japanese food where they make the food
Whoa.
in front of you.
Hey, look.
What?
I knocked that pillar over. Why can't I do... Watch this one. I can do it to this one.
You could do it to like gargoyles and that too.
Oh.
Oh.
No, it wasn't the place where... It wasn't a
Try knocking
place...
this one over. This one.
It wasn't a place where you, Oh, I don't have enough spirit. It wasn't a place where they make it in front of you, which...
My bags are full. I need to go back and sell.
Oh, okay. How do you do that again?
The town portal at the bottom,
Ah.
like the little blue circle.
Or you click T, apparently.
That would work too,
Yeah.
but I'm a clicker.
Clicker, you're the worst kind of person.
So mean.
You shouldn't click. That's bad, right?
I like clicking.
I think WoW
look,
tells me it's
a helmet.
bad. Huh?
I have a helmet now.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I didn't have one before.
Oh, good job. Should probably replace
Gracias.
that. 27.
Sorry, I have to see if there's anything good because this level, even grays can be better.
Yeah, it's hard to continue to be interesting while we're selling shit. Okay. Should I keep my blues to disenchant or whatever it's called?
You can if you want to scale up the blacksmithing.
You mean yours? Your blacksmithing?
No, yours.
Oh. Well, where's the bank thing again?
Mine goes with my other character too, which is really, really cool.
Alright, I should
The
probably...
bank, yeah, you're at it.
Wow, there's not very much room in here.
I feel like Red Riding Hood.
You do have that.
Like a slutty version.
Oh. Oh, wait, so how do you go back? Through here?
Through this blue one. Yeah.
Nice. Slutty Red Riding Hood. That's childhood murdering.
Murdering.
Yes.
That'd be a dream.
Really?
It's so weird. I feel like a mobster though when I'm shooting my gun. It's like a machine gun.
Yeah, you should probably do the accent right now.
Do the what?
The accent?
What accent?
The, like, Italian gangster.
I'm not Italian.
Well, yeah, but if you're a mobster, that's what you are.
I said I feel like one, not that I am one.
Whatever.
I can't do it.
You can't?
No.
I can.
Do it.
I can do plenty of accents. They're just all terrible.
Don't do it.
No, I'm not going to.
Because you can't. It's cool.
And on the off chance that one of my subscribers is Italian, I don't want to offend anyone.
I'm sure they would get a laugh out of it.
Nope.
I'm Italian, do it.
No, you're not.
So you wanted me to do it and butcher it, but you won't do it.
Exactly. Is that a problem?
Yeah. Well, these are blue ones. Be careful.
So is it blue harder or what?
Yeah, they're a little bit harder. Oh, I'm feared.
Whoa. He went really far. Oh, he dropped a lot of stuff.
Usually the last one's in like a blue or a yellow thing, and that they'll drop a lot of stuff or good stuff.
Nice.
Hmm.
Hey, look, I found health. Should I use it?
Sure.
Ow.
I got skeletons coming up the stairs.
Watch your back.
Is that a warning?
This guy's not very nice. Hey, I just killed 6 people in one shot, apparently. That's pretty cool.
I don't like this guy.
Nice.
Take that bookshelf.
Don't kill books. What's wrong with you?
Just the shelf.
Well, the books fell off, too.
But they're okay.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Can you-
I had a conversation with them. It's like, are you okay? And they're like, yeah, we're alright.
What?
I don't know.
What are you talking about?
Lack of sleep.
God. Ugh.
This is bad having like an open mic because sometimes I say really stupid shit.
I like the open mic thing.
Well, no, because like I'm totally not saying all the stupid shit that's going through my head.
You're not?
No.
Oh, that's no fun. Boom. This time I broke them. Look, all the
yeah?
books fell on the floor, then disappeared.
Did you check to make sure they're okay?
Yes, I asked them, and they were like, "Yeah, I guess."
I didn't hear you ask them.
I did. I was asking them telepathically. You wouldn't know. It's part of being a monk.
Oh.
You're just a hunter. You're not cool enough.
I'm a demon hunter, bitch.
Jeez.
It's like, yeah, you're a monk. Oh, you're a priest.
I really don't care.
Well, you have to get into your character more than
I find it hard to.
be one with the monk.
I find it hard to be immersed in a game where you just click to go places and kill stuff.
I don't just do that.
Isn't that pretty much everything you do?
Destroy stuff too.
Oops, I went through.
Sorry, I just had to get those barrels.
Okay. Level 3. Oh shit.
Ah.
That's my favorite thing ever.
Go away.
How I can just make him go flying.
Should be getting another ability soon too.
Oops. He's free! So who's this guy?
It's a stranger.
Should we talk to him?
Yep.
You will know soon enough.
Give aid to the warrior. Find the warrior's stolen items.
Infernal place.
I must kill the skeleton.
Oh, I do have a new thing. Okay.
Our aims align.
So instead of blind all nearby enemies, I can heal myself and nearby allies.
Ooh. I can do smoke screen. I banish from the site for a limited time.
I think I'm gonna stick with the blinding for now because we don't seem to be having any health problems.
Later on, like, things get a little bit rougher and that, so we might need to change up later.
Yeah, I figured that would be true. I don't feel like the game could be this easy all the way through.
Cultists drag me past this glowing
You need some kind of background music or something.
What do you mean?
I don't know, just music.
You want me to start putting music into my videos?
I don't know, like, right now I just have, I don't know, an urge to hear music. Oh,
Yellow guy.
call me their bitch. Wait, I can vanish. Ah, you can't see me. Oh, that was really short.
Whoa! He just threw me really far.
Yeah, they say knockback minions, that's their ability.
Oh.
Like, vampiric ones will obviously heal when they hit you and stuff, so... See, is that helpful?
Oh yeah, good job. you
Take
actually
that, Eric.
you actually shared some of your information. I appreciate that.
I don't know much, it's hard to
If it is
help.
the skeleton king you seek, then you will have to fight your way past John Dar.
This guy is not very interesting at all.
Agreed.
What, your guy?
No, the warrior guy.
Well, that's why we're helping him.
Why? Because he's not
Here,
not
have some
interesting.
personality.
Oh. That's funny. Boom. Whoops. That was an accident.
I'm proud of you.
Act for accidentally breaking things.
Yep.
Cool.
I still feel like Little Red Riding Hood.
You kind of look like her.
I'm off to hunt me a wolf. Oh, so yesterday I did something cool.
What's that?
I was taken to the unicorn level. And there's cuddly bears and flowers and stuff that you kill.
Oh, I was gonna say, do you have to murder them? Sweet.
Yep.
Pretty sweet. Sounds good to me.
I got a legendary in there, so that was pretty cool.
What's that?
The low level. Any orange items are like legendary items.
Oh, cool.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
I don't know, I'm lost.
I think you went the wrong way. Yeah, you went backwards.
I got that sneezing urge again.
Sneeze. Do it.
No. I'll hit mute first if I do.
It's okay, I can edit it out.
Yeah. I believe that one. Like in the middle of the fight, I decided I don't want that ability. I'm just changing it.
Wow. It's a good thing I'm the one recording the video. People are just watching you sit in menus the whole time.
Not the whole time, I'm just there. It's like, this one's not really working out for me.
Boom. Attaboy.
Oh, my bags are full.
Man, how do you, what's going on, dude?
I can't pick that up.
Very well. I have no need of
Maybe what's going on?
How does yours keep getting full? Mine aren't even close. If you join a party, the Templar will remain in town. Oh, so he would have been a companion if you weren't here.
Right. Like on my witch doctor, I use him because he kind of is like a tanky guy.
Oh, tanky.
Right.
That's just funny the way you said that. Boom. I just killed an entire table. Are you proud?
I am.
Damn right you proud. Let's go. Level 4, bitch.
Hold on, I'm looking at my gear.
Oh, do you need to go sell or whatever?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. Might as well go with you.
Oh, jeez, I'm so sorry. It's not like I'm going out like shoe shopping or anything.
Shoe shopping. Do you do that often?
No.
Are you sure?
I don't like shopping.
Oh.
Really.
Marry me right now.
No.
Oh, thanks.
I don't want people to marry me because I don't like to go shoe shopping.
But that's like the best reason. Hey, do you need intelligence?
Not really.
Okay.
If you go scroll over, like, intelligence for me would only increase my resistances, so it's not my important stat.
Oh. Oh, so you and I both need dexterity. That was smart.
Mine.
Probably should have thought that through more.
Mine. Oh, I didn't. Let's see.
Strength increases my armor, though. So that's good. I could...
I put some stuff in here that I can wear later on. Ooh, like this one.
Alright, off we go.
Here, I'll link these two. These are what I found so far that are legendary.
How does one link things?
The same way you would in
I see.
Warcraft.
So you're saying it's the same game?
No, I said like you would. It is by the same creators, so there are similarities.
Well, that looks fancy. Oh, look, there's even sockets. Yep, this is just WoW, just simpler. And significantly more fun, I should add.
Although in WoW you can kill critters.
You know, wow. You are scary. You're a scary person.
Why? Why am I scary?
No reason. Don't hurt me.
Like destruction? They say they bring out your, like, alter personality, so obviously if I do, like, destroying stuff in games, I don't normally destroy stuff.
I suppose. Or it means you subconsciously want to destroy stuff and you just suppress it.
Yeah, and this is letting me relieve it, so... Bookshelf. Ooh, dead villager. I kicked him.
This game is so fun.
We're safe.
What the heck? Where do we go?
When we return from our horrific defeat in Westmarch, my beloved
Never
king
mind.
lost all pretense.
What?
I was gonna say maybe we can go down, but that's not what I meant.
Oh.
So I stopped myself from saying that.
But then you said it anyway.
Well, because you asked. My mind's like always in the gutter. I just have to learn to turn it off sometimes.
Yep. Turn it off. Anyway, yes.
It's better than turning it on, right? If I'm trying to stay away from it.
I don't think so. I don't know. Don't ask me these questions.
Yes, sir. Take that, skeleton.
Do we know which way we're going or supposed to be going here?
Nope.
Alright, cool.
But I was still in the fight and you just totally left me.
Oh, sorry. There's more stuff to kill over here. I keep finding two-handed weapons. Man, this is a big dungeon down here.
I like them big.
Oh, that's just fantastic. Oh, what's this? Oh, never mind. It's this.
The guy was like hiding in the wall. He's like, I hear you. Okay, now. Watch out. Oh, you just totally teleported? That's cool.
Yeah, I'm good at that. Oh, they have shields.
That chandelier helped us way over there.
Yeah, I just click a lot and then stuff happens. Ooh, what's this guy right here?
Harvester.
Enough spirit.
See, look, I'm being helpful.
What? Where are these guys going? They just run around like little goobers.
Goobers?
Yeah.
Aren't goobers like chocolate covered peanuts?
I think so, actually.
You get them at the movie theater?
Yeah, I think you're right.
I always like Twizzlers.
Yeah, I'm not really a Twizzler person. Not at all, actually.
Really?
Yeah, really.
I don't know if I can talk to you anymore.
I think I ate them too much as a kid and I burned myself out on them.
Twizzlers are the shit.
Alright, God, don't fucking
Like
hurt me.
The cherry nibs, or whatever they call them. Those are good.
Oh, yeah, I like those ones.
Cherry bites, not the nibs. Bites. Bites are better.
I don't really like normal Twizzlers, but the rest, like the stuff where there's like juicy stuff in the middle of them is great.
No, there's no juicy stuff in the middle. There's cut already for you. In little bite-sized pieces.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh. You're lying, aren't you? You don't know where we're going.
I do know where we're going.
Oh. So I've just magically been going the right way this whole time?
For once.
Hey,
Oh, got some blue guys here.
I'm coming.
What's so funny?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
What? You're being a man.
I heard you snicker, so I was laughing.
Me? I don't snicker.
Yeah, no, I totally heard
That was
it.
a good candy bar too, though.
Oh, yeah. That's...
I'm hungry.
me too, actually.
I didn't eat lunch.
Oh. Why'd you
Or
go...
breakfast.
What the fuck? Go get something to eat.
Can't.
What?
Killing shit.
I can wait for a minute if you want.
Killing shit.
So I've discovered the only
Take
two
that chandelier. What?
the,
Sorry.
the only two fast food places I can eat are Arby's and McDonald's, and the only thing I can eat from McDonald's is the fish fillet.
Why is that?
Because I think it's all disgusting, but the fish fillets taste so good that I can stomach it.
I don't like the fish there.
I really like fried fish sandwiches, so...
You know, for the Easter holiday, Arby's had a really good fish sandwich.
Oh.
really, really good.
Well, you should have told me that, and I would have went.
So it was really good.
Really good. So
They're on
good.
sale too.
Yeah. Oh, did I go the wrong way? Yep.
I don't. No, you're fine.
Wait, this
Destruction.
this wasn't the right way, you liar. We're at a dead end.
It was the right way
The right way for what?
to discover the map.
Oh. Alright.
See?
Fair enough.
Destroying stuff.
Right.
Maybe this is a good character for me.
Because you can break stuff from far away.
Oh no, I could do that in my witch doctor too.
Oh.
But this one, I have to use hatred.
'Cause it has a
maybe
nice
this will
butt?
bring out like my evil self.
Oh. Because that needs to be brought out? Is that what you're implying?
I like my evil self.
I will forever live in
I was saying that it's always out, but you know.
I'm not always evil. Well, I guess I was told it was mean. Not that it was mean. I heard they were both funny though, so it's cool.
Yeah. I thought, I mean, the first episode wasn't as bad, but the second one, I was like, oh my, I don't even want to watch this because of how annoying I am. And I don't usually get that from my videos. I usually, you know, I wouldn't do this if I didn't enjoy the sound of my voice.
I hate the sound of mine.
I don't know. I think it's pretty awesome. As does, I should look up what that guy's name was so I can give him a shout out. But hey, guy, you know who you are. New subscriber.